Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about profit and loss appropriations account, which is an extension of profit and loss account. Profit and loss appropriations account is a nominal account, and we know that in nominal account all the expenses are recorded on debit side and all the incomes are recorded on credit side. In PL account, the outcome may be either net profit or net loss. If the result shows net profit, then those amounts are transferred on credit side of PL appropriations account, and if the outcomes of PL account shows net loss, then those amounts are transferred on debit side of profit and loss appropriations account. In profit and loss appropriations account, if any transactions reduces the profits of the partnership firm, then all those transactions or items are recorded on debit side, and if any transactions or item increases the profits of the partnership firm, then we record it on the credit side of profit and loss appropriations account. Now let us discuss all those transactions and items which comes under profit and loss appropriations account. First, we have interest on capital. If the partners are entitled to have interest on capital, then it reduces the net profit of the partnership firm. Second, if the partners are entitled to have salary, then the amount paid as a salary reduces the profits of the partnership firm. Third, we have like commissions, remunerations and bonus. And at last we have reserve fund. Reserve fund are created out of net profit. So ultimately it reduces the distributable profits of the partnership firm. And on the other hand, on credit side, we have one transaction, that is interest on drawings. If any partners withdraw any amount from the partnership firm for his personal use, in that case he or she may be liable to pay an interest, and that interest increases the profits of the partnership firm. After balancing the amount from both credit side and debit side, if credit side shows more than the debit side, then it shows profits which are transferred to partners capital account, and if debit side shows more than the credit side, then the result is loss, and those loss amount are transferred to partners capital account. So these are the some transactions and items which are recorded especially in profit and loss appropriations account. In the next video, we are going to have a detailed discussion regarding the journal entries for all those transactions which falls under profit and loss appropriations account. Till then, have a nice day. Once again, if you are a new viewer, please like, share and subscribe my